In this video, we'll be telling you everything you need to know about the Royalton Riviera Cancun, and we will finish off with an honest review. Let's get straight into it. The Royalton Riviera Cancun is an autograph collection all-inclusive resort and casino located in Riviera Maya, just a 15-minute drive from Cancun International Airport. This modern luxurious resort promises unforgettable experiences, offering adventure-filled days and lively entertainment-filled nights. With its international cuisine prepared by talented chefs, splash park, casino, and spa, the resort is also family-friendly and is designed to make you feel at home. We'll start this tour off by giving you an overview of the accommodations. The Royalton Riviera boasts 840 luxurious rooms and suites, which are divided into 3 distinct sections. Guests can choose from the resort's luxurious rooms or the Diamond Club sections, which offer additional amenities and services to enhance the guest experience. The Junior Suite is the most common accommodation at the Royalton Riviera. Guests can choose from 3 different views: swim out, ocean view, or mangrove view. The spacious suite has a private balcony with sliding doors, allowing guests to enjoy the beautiful views of the ocean, tropical surroundings, or a blue swim-out pool. With a maximum occupancy of 5 people, the suite measures 560 square feet and includes either 1 king bed or 2 queen beds and a sofa bed. This room type provides a comfortable and luxurious stay for families or groups of friends. For guests that want a little extra, the Luxury Presidential Suite is a top-tier accommodation option that provides maximum comfort and luxury for Diamond Club guests. It features 2 spacious bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom, as well as a guest bathroom for added convenience. The suite also includes a fully equipped kitchen, dining area, and a comfortable living room with a flat-screen TV. As part of the exclusive Diamond Club, guests staying at the Luxury Presidential Suite can enjoy a range of elevated amenities and services. These include personalized butler service, access to an exclusive Diamond Club beach area, and private check-in and check-out. All the rooms and suites at the Royalton Riviera offer a range of luxurious amenities to ensure that guests have a comfortable and enjoyable stay. The Dream Bed with high thread count sheets ensures guests get a good night's sleep, while the Royalton Signature Rain Shower provides a luxurious bathing experience. Complimentary resort-wide high-speed Wi-Fi and USB charging stations allow guests to stay connected with family and friends. In-room amenities such as an electronic safe, smart TV, minibar, and 24/7 room service add to the convenience and comfort of the stay. Each room features a garment steamer, hair dryer, steamer, ironing board, coffee maker upon request, vanity mirror, and AC with individual thermostat and ceiling fan for personalized comfort. Finally, the in-suite jacuzzi soaker tub provides a relaxing and indulgent soak for guests to unwind after a day of activities. Now onto the food. At the Royalton Riviera Cancun, guests can indulge in world-class dining at 9 restaurants and 12 bars, offering a range of cuisines from around the world. Dine on local international delights in a buffet style or a la carte dining services and grab a signature cocktail at many on-site bars, or enjoy a mid-afternoon coffee and exquisite dessert at the cafe. The most popular restaurants at the resort are the Gourmet Marsh, Agave Mexican Restaurant, Armadillo, Grazie Italian Trattoria, and Taj. The Gourmet Marsh is an international buffet restaurant that serves self-serve eats for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Agave is a Mexican restaurant that offers old-world Spanish recipes with a blend of European cuisine. Armadillo is an open-air Tex-Mex dining venue where you can enjoy sizzling fajitas, freshly grilled seafood, and hearty hickory-smoked meats. Grazie Italian Trattoria serves authentic Italian comfort food with an open-air setting and a warm, inviting atmosphere for the whole family. Finally, Taj offers a variety of meat, seafood, and vegetarian dishes with aromatic spices and flavors in a modern, refined Indian restaurant. The CX Culinary Experience is a personalized dining experience hosted by a personal chef that offers 7 exquisite courses of amazing flavors and cocktail pairings for families with children aged 15 and above. The dinner is held in an atmosphere of pure sophistication and is perfect for anyone seeking to elevate their dining experience. The dress code for the evening is evening elegant. The resort also has various bars offering a range of drinks and comfort food. Martini Mix is a stylish cocktail bar serving specialty cocktails, while the Swim Up Pool Bar offers cocktails, beers, and wines. The Score Sports Bar has flat-screen TVs showing live sports matches and pub-style comfort food. The Dip Swim-Up Bar and Chill Swim-Up Bar are pool bars serving mocktails and cocktails. Tides Beach Bar and Sands Beach Bar serve drinks on the beach, while Nautica Beach Bar is located near the beach. Encore Swim-Up Bar is another pool bar with in-water stools, and the Diamond Club Beach Bar is exclusive to guests staying in Diamond Club rooms. Scoops Gelato and Cafe Lounge is a dessert and coffee spot that serves fresh oven-baked bread, pastries, cakes, and ice cream topped according to your preference. They also offer freshly brewed cappuccinos and espressos during the day. The lounge is open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Now let's discuss the fun. At the Royalton Riviera Cancun Resort, guests can indulge in one of the 7 swimming pools in a beach area. From the luxurious Signature and Diamond Club pools that offer the ultimate in relaxation and VIP service to the Splash Park and Kids Pool that are perfect for families with young children. The Serene Infinity Pool offers great views and a peaceful atmosphere, while the semi-private swim-out pools provide a secluded and intimate experience. The Royalton Beach and Diamond Club Beach offer crystal-clear waters, soft sand, and private cabanas with butler service. With an array of amenities and activities available, guests can enjoy a perfect swim that caters to their every need. The Splash Safari is a fun-filled water zone designed for kids. The area is equipped with various water features that include lily pads, mushroom waterfalls, and crocodile walkways. Kids can also take a dip in the Pelican Bay watering hole and go down the tree, mountain, and creature slides for a fun experience. The Splash Safari is a safe and supervised area where parents can let their kids enjoy the water activities without worry. There's also a range of exciting outdoor activities and sports for both adults and children. For those who love water activities, guests can enjoy kayaking, snorkeling, and introductory scuba diving lessons, allowing you to explore the colorful marine life of the Caribbean Sea. In addition to the water sports, there is a beach volleyball for a fun and competitive workout. For those who prefer indoor activities, the resort offers ping pong, cooking classes, dance classes, and trivia games. For those seeking adventure and competition, the resort hosts various competitions and games, providing great opportunities to meet new people and make friends while having fun. The activities and sports at Royalton Riviera Cancun are suitable for all ages and are perfect for families and couples who want to spend quality time together. The cooking and dance classes are especially great for those who enjoy learning new skills while on vacation. The Clubhouse Kids Club at the Royalton is an excellent feature for families traveling with children. This supervised indoor play space is designed to cater to children between the ages of 4 to 12 years old, offering them a safe and fun environment where they can enjoy various activities and make new friends. The Clubhouse Kids Club offers a range of activities including games, arts and crafts, and cartoon watching, as well as outdoor playground activities for children who enjoy some active fun. With plenty of fresh air and exciting activities, children can enjoy their holiday to the fullest and parents can have the chance to unwind and relax. For the older kids, the Hangout Teens Lounge is a dedicated and supervised lounge for teenagers between the ages of 13 and 17. Teens can enjoy non-stop activities like PlayStation video games, movies on flat-screen TVs, high-speed Wi-Fi, and more. Also, every week the resort hosts a special event called the Royalton White Party, where guests of all ages can gather and create memories while dressed in semi-formal white attire. Families from all over the world can come together for a night of music, dancing, and fun under the stars. The event aims to recreate the special nights of the year when families gather and form strong traditions that they will cherish for years to come. In addition to the White Party, there's also spontaneous dance parties on the beach or by the pool, where you can enjoy popular music and create special moments. The resort also offers live entertainment featuring a lineup of captivating performances that are sure to impress guests of all ages. After all of the fun, the resort has you covered with various wellness options to ensure guests' relaxation and restoration. You can reserve one or more signature spa experiences at the full-service health and wellness facility, the Royal Spa. The spa offers a comprehensive menu of treatments as well as hydrotherapy circuits and spa packages to meet guests' needs. The Royal Spa's signature treatments provide complete relaxation, including Swedish massages, hot stone massages, and deep tissue massages. Also, with the help of certified instructors, visitors can maintain their daily workout routine in the fitness center or indoor and outdoor classes. These classes include yoga, Pilates, spinning, kickboxing, and more. The Royalton Riviera Cancun Resort also features an aquafit class and a tennis court for guests who prefer to stay active. Now, since this is an honest review, we must let you know a common review that keeps repeating itself, and that is regarding how busy the resort is. Since it's family-friendly and has many rooms, it's likely to get busy at times, so it's important you are aware of this before you visit. If you're looking for a more quiet and intimate resort in Cancun, then make sure to watch this video here on the Secrets Maroma Beach Riviera Cancun. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.